Yo, what's up mga ka-runners? So today we will try to beat our personal best 10 kilometers. So meron tayong time na 59 minutes ang ating personal best. So I try with my best this day to 55 minutes siguro. I will start the first kilometer of warm up at least siguro mga less than 6 minutes. Then follow up gradually. Bababain natin yung time. Kami join me this afternoon sa medyo gloomy weather today. Medyo parang paulan na pero let's run pa rin. So let's go. Run for your life. So we will run muna 1K for warm up para di mabigla yung paa natin. So let's start na. Napag-warm up na tayo. Naway makakuha natin yung 55 minutes natin. KM1 548, 2K 607, KM3 545, KM4 617, KM5 602, 6K 615, 7K 608, M8 615, 9K 611, 10K 558. So that's our 10K attempt. So I failed again. So alos 1 hour and 2 minutes yung time ko for the 10K. So bawi ako next month. Create ulit ako ng 1 month plan para mabit natin yung 10K PR natin na 59 minutes. Pero achievement pa rin to kasi bibuild natin yung endurance natin para sa mga future runs natin. So yun lang, sulit tong run na to kahit nakakapagod and hindi natin nabit yung time natin. Pero I just always saying, be healthy, be wealthy, stay active, and always run for your life for a better living. Let's go guys, let's run. Hey!